Hey guys, Jessie here from Tonkadale, and today we're going to do gift wrapping greenhouse style and bow making 101. Believe it or not, I received a gift this morning. It was the gift of citrus. If I kept 2 for myself, there'd be 14 per box, and that would be like pretty normal. So I thought we'd try it before we actually wrap it. Oh, it smells amazing. The first thing you'll want to do is pre-zest your paper. I hate wrapping gifts. Believe it or not, you guys, wrapping presents is not my favorite activity. However, I do enjoy shopping for presents and giving presents. It's just that middle area that's a little gray for me. First, I have to indulge. It's really good. You guys want some? Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, good. It looks like there's a little holder for that orange. But you know what? We have a solution for that. Look at this cute little orange ornament. What if we just like nestled that in there as a little fun surprise? So I'm going to use butcher paper. I really like the neutral background for my packages. Plus we're going to add some natural elements so it all kind of ties together. We'll seal up our package. In my family, the tradition for wrapping packages was to take a grocery sack, a paper grocery sack, and decorate it. My grandma was known for her very elaborate drawings, and usually the drawing had something to do with the gift inside. So I like to measure my paper about halfway up the side. I must wrap packages in my calmest state. Next, we'll fold in the edges, and usually I loosely do one side, and I don't give it a crease at all, but I just loosely fold it, and then I flip it up so I can do this side really nicely. Now, you have to decide if your envelope corners are pointing down or pointing up. I like mine pointing down. So we'll fold the bottom towards the top, give it a crease. There we go. And then you have to decide if you like your envelope sharp or blunt. I prefer a blunt edge. The less tape you use, the better. 1 piece of tape is all you need. Well, another option if you like to waste tape is to tape on the inside and then tape on the outside. So we'll choose 1 ribbon to go all the way around the package. My advice to you is if you like a ribbon, buy the full bolt because you'll go back for more and it'll be gone. I promise. It happens all the time. Crisscross applesauce. I'm going to tie just a simple knot here. And remember the ornament we talked about at the beginning? If you didn't eat an orange out of the box, you would have an ornament to put on the outside. I think if you're going to choose an ornament to put on a package, it doesn't have to be expensive or gaudy. I think it should be personal to the individual you're giving it to. So I'm just gonna kind of hold that there in place and put the ribbon through. There we go. So it can be a little loose. I think we'll do a few loops. I'm gonna add in this pretty meshy ribbon just to give it some body. And what I like to do is just choose how long your tails are going to be, pinch the ribbon tightly, and then make your loops. So I'll do 1 loop, 2 loops, 3 loops. I can layer in my meshy green and do the same thing. I choose how long my tails should be, and I might make these a little longer because I have a fun idea about how to finish off my tails. And I'll make 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, all we need to do is place this bow on top of our original ribbon and square off that knot. We have a generous amount of tails, which is really pretty. I'm going to tie a cute knot right at the end. Isn't that cute? I'm very much enjoying this package. I have these pretty berries that would look nice. I also have some fresh greens. Silver fir is really pretty. Fir is flat, so it will lay flat on top of a package, so it's pretty simple to use. So we can use a wire cutter to trim a few of these berries. We have this gold berry in mind, perfectly acceptable to just slide it in. I think we could be done. There are a few other directions we could go with this package. We have some beautiful magnolia that would look very nice. That's really pretty and fresh. Ooh, that's pretty cute. If we wanted to, we could kind of get everybody, you know, synced up together. All right, let's call it good. Thanks for getting festive with me. I actually really enjoyed wrapping this gift. Adding some personality to the gift does tell the story of your gift, and that's what gift giving is all about. So be thoughtful, be kind, and get to work.